In the ancient days, the whole earth had one language and one speech. The people were united. No borders, no barriers, no confusion. Then they said to one another, "Come, let us build ourselves a city, with a tower that reaches to the heavens, so that we may make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered across the face of the whole earth." They molded bricks instead of stone and used tar for mortar. Brick by brick the tower rose, higher and higher, stretching into the clouds, a monument to human pride. And the Lord came down to see the city and the tower that the sons of men had built. He said, "Behold, they are one people, and they all have one language, and this is only the beginning of what they will do. Now nothing they plan will be impossible for them." So the Lord confused their language, and suddenly no one could understand the other. Voices clashed, meanings shattered, and the great tower came to a halt, abandoned amid the noise and disarray. The place was called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of the whole earth, and from there he scattered them over the face of all the earth. When man seeks glory without God, his greatest works turn to ruins, and what rises in pride must fall in silence.